Exploring SecurSearch. SecurSearch eDiscovery Overview. Use SecurSearch to perform eDiscovery searches within user mail databases on HCL Domino servers. Step 1. Select mail databases as the target for the eDiscovery search. Step 2. Specify the desired search criteria, which includes performing a search by date, by people, by mail property, by subject or body keywords. Make use of and/or operators to create a more granular search criteria that will help obtain better search results. Date selection conditions include the options as seen below. Conditions include searching by months, weeks, days, or within a specific period of time. People selection conditions include the options as seen below. Whether you're searching for email from a specific person or email to a specific person, whether they're the primary recipient, whether they've been carbon copied or blind carbon copied. Subject or body conditions include the options as seen below. Subject or body conditions include searching very specifically in the subject only, in the body only, or in the same message whether the keyword exists in the subject or body field. In step 3, which is optional, if performing subject or body keyword searches, consider searching for word variants. For example, searching for sell will also find selling. Additionally, consider performing a fuzzy search. For example, searching for stocks would also find misspelled variations. In step 4a, specify how to run the search. When the Run on Server option is selected, the search query will be executed by the Domino server instead of the SecurSearch client. This helps to improve search performance and minimizes delays for searches to be completed over a slow LAN or WAN connection. When the Run on Server option is not selected, the search will be executed directly by the SecurSearch client under the identity of the person executing the search. In situations where the connection speed to the server may be limited by a slow LAN or WAN connection, the search may take much longer to complete. Step 4b, continuing with how to run the search, the option Run as Full Access Administrator. When a SecurSearch query has not been configured to run on server, as described earlier, search queries will be performed using the user ID of the person who is logged into SecurSearch. If the person performing the search does not necessarily have ACL access to the targeted mail databases, but does have full access administrator security privilege, the option Run as Full Access Administrator can be selected to perform the search. In step 5, specify the target servers and mail databases that will be searched. SecureTrack allows parallel searches across multiple servers and mail databases, which helps to obtain search results quicker versus having to search servers or mail databases individually. Important note: since SecureSearch requires mail databases to be full text indexed on the Domino server, be sure that all mail databases to be searched do have a full text index created. You can also conveniently create a full text index on individual databases directly from within SecureSearch. Step 6. Once all desired selections have been made, simply click Search to obtain query results. After SecureSearch has completed the search, and before any search results are downloaded, the hit count is shown for each selected mail database that was targeted for eDiscovery. The hit count gives you a good idea how effective your search criteria was. If, for example, no search results were found, you may consider to cancel the current search and adjust your criteria and perform a new search. In this example, we will open the search results. Use the sorting feature to list search results in a desired order. Simply click on a column of choice to initiate the sorting process. If sorting based on more than one column is required, right-click a column and select Sorting, and then specify preferred options. Leverage the SecurSearch filter feature to drill down into search results at a more granular level. To invoke the feature, right-click a column and select Filtering. Available options are highlighted. Apply filters based on message type, importance, date, server, path, from, recipients, subject, size, attachment, attachment names, and attachment sizes. At any time while viewing the search results summary, to view the entire message content for one of the search results, simply double-click on the message and the email located in the target database will open. If you do not have a chance to fully review the search results at a particular moment in time, use the SecurSearch Save Snapshot feature to save the results for viewing at a later time without having to perform another search. Once the search results have been saved as a snapshot, when required, it is very easy to open the Save Snapshot via the File menu. If repeating the same eDiscovery search is required periodically, save the existing search query criteria so that it can be easily reused at a later time to perform a new search based on the same exact search parameters. Once a query has been saved, it can be opened via the File menu and a new eDiscovery search will be performed automatically based on the previously saved search parameters. Next, we'll look at exporting search results. Summary results as they appear in SecurSearch can be exported into either an Excel, XML spreadsheet, or a CSV file format. The entire email message contents referenced in the search results can be exported into an HCL Notes database. When choosing to export search results to a CSV or Excel XML spreadsheet, the results will appear in the spreadsheet in a similar column layout as viewed in SecurSearch. Which columns and documents to export can be selected. In the sample Excel XML spreadsheet, the exported information can be easily understood and sorted as desired. Additionally, there's also a doc link, which when clicked will launch an HCL Notes client if installed, and attempt to open the email referenced in the search result. Proper ACL rates in the target database are required to view the email. When choosing to export search results to an NSF database, the actual emails referenced in the search results will be exported into a database based on the HCL Notes mail journaling template. The column information as viewed in SecurSearch eDiscovery results will not be exported. Here, a sample of exported email content based on SecurSearch results can be seen as it would appear in a mail journaling database. Once an email has been exported, it can be opened independently of the original mail database where it was exported from. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. To learn more about our products, please visit our website for more product information and additional tutorials. Visit us at www.extracomm.com.